Welcome to the Now You Know podcast, a podcast that will guide you to successfully navigate the online world and give you, as a super bonus, some thought-provoking takes on life. Without further ado, here is your host, entrepreneur, marketer, professor, and author, Flavio Salza. We are happy to have you here today. Enjoy the show.
All right, so today we're going to talk about the power of like. Yes, power of like. Like has power. You know, there is plenty of research that suggests social media usage actually trigger the release of dopamine. You know, it's the feel-good neurotransmitter in your brain. It's like a chemical that transmits information between neurons. In other words, so, thanks to dopamine, affect every single share, like, comment, follows, etc. So, cause you to experience a rush of positive feelings, you know.
I got a bad feeling about this.
Plus, online interaction can actually increase bonding between individuals, and we view engagement as an act of human acknowledgement as well. You know, the reality is we are all people. It feels great to be appreciated, and in the online world, that's not different. So, like here has that power. Power to make you feel and experience positive feelings, right? So, a simple like works as a also as a knowledge that you read the comment. Like, you know, a kind of a thanks for taking the time to write one. So, in resume, a like is so powerful that it's basically three things in one. So, it's like a package these days. A like can be very motivating and satisfying, and also help you to build relationships with your listeners or followers. Plus, you can use as a knowledge that you read the comment or you saw the post, right? So you might be thinking every comment gets a like. Well, the ratio is up to you, but I don't think you're gonna get it to 100% on that direction because there are a lot of awful comments, spam, and we talked about this before. Remember the haters, the negative comments. You know, if you didn't see this episode on Now You Know podcast, go back and check it out. But overall, I use it 98% of the time.
Brother, life's a bitch. She's back in heat.
So, as action, if you're not doing that yet, from now on, start doing. Sometimes your post can go viral and you have hundreds of comments to check and like, and that can drag some of your time online, but it's very worth to invest on doing so because, again, a comment equal a like. It's something simple and it's something that motivated others to actually continue to engage with you online. That's simple, right? So, see you soon again. Soon. Bye.
Thanks for listening. The Now You Know guidebook is now available at Amazon worldwide. Get your copy on paperback or Kindle. You can also keep up and interact with Flavio Salza via LinkedIn and Twitter. Plus, check back weekly for new episodes. Until next time, keep rocking and loving on what you do.